Page 29, melodic fourths and fifths. So we've already had seconds and thirds. I just explained to you before what melodic intervals were, and that is any interval. So if you just use what I explained before, it doesn't matter. You already know about fourths and fifths, big deal. However, let's review. You have a C and an F for the first two notes. Remember, melodic is one note after another, like a melody. So it's a C and an F. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's an interval of a fourth. Next is a fifth. This is one higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's an interval of a fifth. As far as which finger numbers you use and all that, forget all that. You could use any finger numbers. Take it as it comes, whatever you need. Don't tie in finger numbers with intervals. They have nothing to do with each other. Okay, so let's talk about this. This is all quarter notes. It's repeated, the treble and bass clef, 4/4 time. We're good to go. There's no dynamic given. You just play it. Don't worry about how loud or soft you're playing it. You just play it. They're still giving you the names of the notes in the middle of the music. In the first measure, you need to know the names of these notes by now. If not, please go back and drill yourself. Go through all the pieces again and drill yourself on the names of the notes. They should be automatic by now, in my opinion. So let's play this together. Make sure you can play it okay, and then let's just check, make sure you have all the right notes. The rhythm shouldn't be a problem. They're all quarter notes. But let's play it together, and we are going to repeat it, so I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. Repeat.